Optimus robot, which was revealed at Tesla AI Day. The Tesla bot, codenamed Optimus, was presented at Tesla CEO Elon Musk on Friday. The robot strolled around a stage, waved, and pumped its arms in a slow dancing routine. In 3 to 5 years, the robot may cost $20,000. We want to create a usable humanoid robot as soon as we can. The first applications will be in Tesla's car plants, he said, while it may eventually benefit millions of people. Although the robot wasn't as impressive as some others, such as Boston Dynamics' Atlas, which is capable of parkour, it was what Tesla managed to construct in less than 8 months. The robot is much more capable than what we have demonstrated. Simply put, we didn't want it to crash to the ground. Musk made the joke at Tesla AI Day 2022, an exhibition of the robot and the business's self-driving car technology known as Full Self-Driving, or FSD. In the end, Musk aims to produce millions of Tesla bots using the manufacturing, supply chain, and manufacturing advantages created for the company's vehicles business. However, take the company's estimate with a grain of salt. Although it has led the rest of the industry toward an electric vehicle future, Tesla has been a successful automaker despite having missed numerous deadlines. Given how common and powerful Tesla thinks the robots may be, the Optimus project is among the most ambitious in the robotics field, even though it's still early. But making progress is challenging. Competitors like Boston Dynamics have been working on humanoid robots for years, but they've only created prototypes so far. Robots with fewer capabilities are more prevalent, such as the wheeled delivery robots or Amazon's Astro, a tablet with a camera for the home. While Tesla's car piloting technology and robots must take into account the enormous variety of the real world, artificial intelligence technology platforms best with certain tasks. It's likely that Optimus will begin its existence in safety. The business intends to utilize it initially in Tesla's own plants. Musk says the jobs might entail delivering parts to conventional robots on the production line. According to Musk, Optimus will be useful in an exponentially growing number of circumstances, really quickly. 2 Tesla bots on stage. Musk displayed 2 machines, mechanical actuators, cylindrical devices that combine a motor with gearing and sensors, were used to construct the first walking model. The second could not walk and was wheeled around onto stage. Its limbs and fingers were controlled by Tesla's own actuators. However, its actuators enable it to elevate one leg to the side and grasp with the other. In a video, the robots demonstrated other abilities like picking up boxes, twisting at the waist, and watering plants while carrying a water can. The second Optimus robot, according to Musk, wasn't quite ready to walk, but I expect it will walk in a few weeks. For its vehicles, Tesla already had actuator engineers on staff. The Optimus Leg's linear actuator, which is the strongest actuator, has 1,000-pound lifting capability. At 161 pounds, the second Optimus prototype is heavy. It makes use of a variant of the computer gear that Tesla employs to power its FSD autonomous driving system. According to one engineer, its battery pack's 2.3 kilowatt-hour capacity is ideal for full day's work. It uses approximately 100 watts of power while seated and 500 watts while moving quickly. That resembles a high-end gaming computer. The first robot shuffled along at a leisurely speed, putting one foot barely in front of the other. Although it had somewhat mincing gait due to its spent knees, robots frequently have this posture since a straight leg stance calls for considerably more refined balance skills. The robot had waist flexion and could pivot. The majority of the LEDs on its body were green, and its chest held a sizable computer with 2 revolving fans to cool the CPUs. The degrees of freedom of the Optimus robots, basically the various ways it can bend or twist at different joints, were highlighted by Tesla engineers. According to Tesla, the entire robot body has more than 28 degrees of movement, and each hand has 11. According to Musk, the robots will have an external override mechanism so that people can stop them for safety reasons. This override mechanism won't be updated online. Long-term, the robots will probably be controlled by some principles of robotics that you cannot transcend, like not doing harm to people, Musk added, alluding to science fiction author Isaac Asimov's 3 laws of robotics. This is presumably for safety reasons. The Tesla bot is managed by the same AI program that Tesla uses to drive its vehicles. The same technology is used, such as measuring the occupancy of adjacent places, as opposed to driving simulators. Real-world surroundings are used for training, according to Tesla. Musk didn't hold back while making futuristic claims about Tesla's robots. Robotic labor users in a new era of economics, one Musk described as one of plenty, a future without poverty, a future where you can have whatever you want in terms of products and services. It truly represents a fundamental shift in civilization as we know it. On Friday night, Tesla's artificial intelligence team took the stage for the company's second annual AI Day to show off the progress of their research into autonomous robots and vehicles. Our first glimpse of the autonomous robot pacing around the stage, updates on the self-driving software, and a first look at the Dojo's hardware powering Tesla's AI research were all part of the Tesla AI Day 2022. Tesla CEO Elon Musk postponed the demonstration until September instead of June in order to get the Optimus prototype up and running. According to Musk's tweet from Thursday, this event is designed for attracting AI and robotics engineers, hence will be highly technical. Tesla posted an animation of robots' hands making a human heart sign, echoing Musk's claim that the Tesla bot will be kind. The event began with a brief keynote from CEO Elon Musk, who was followed by a quick demonstration of the most recent iteration of Optimus, which had many exposed parts yet waved and moved around the stage untethered. It's a far cry from the inaugural AI Day last year, when a human danced around the stage dressed as Optimus Prime. But much work needs to be done before the Optimus can reach Musk's vision of it as a super-capable autonomous helper. On stage, Musk declared, "The Optimus has doubled the economic output of people." In reality, it's unclear what the exact limit is. Even better, according to Musk, Optimus might be sold in 3 to 5 years. Musk had higher expectations for the Optimus than what the night held. Engineers discussed the difficulties of designing a robot that could move around and recognize objects the way a human would. The full self-driving, or FSD, software, which aims to expand the capabilities of the highway navigating autopilot to more complicated city streets, was then discussed by Tesla researchers from the team behind the autopilot autonomous driving software. The hardware specialists were the last to speak, showing off what Dojo can actually achieve once their hardware cabinets filled with many chips start to arrive early next year. The Tesla bot moves on its own and waves. A working prototype of Optimus was finally presented. However, it is still some distance from the finished product that was depicted in concept art last year at AI's Day. It was capable of walking and waving on its own because of its 73-kilogram, 161-pound weight, 2.3 kilowatt-hour battery, and use of third-party actuators. To tease the audience, the next iteration of Optimus was brought out. It was a sleeker form with metal shell covering its torso and limbs and Tesla-built actuators. But it was still too early in development to move independently. Instead, it waved. They want to build the robot as rapidly as possible and have it as useful as early as possible, as Musk stated repeatedly throughout the night. A Catgirl model will accompany Optimus. Optimus was unveiled not long after, and Musk tweeted that, naturally, there will be a Catgirl version of our Optimus robot, while he was backstage watching Tesla's presentation. A second reply tweet included a picture of an action figure of a woman, probably Zero Suit Samus, with a background of endless rows of robot chassis in the form of female humanoids. It's tough to know if Musk is being serious, but in response to a query during the Q&A session, he suggested that Optimus might have different appearances. "We want to have highly entertaining Optimus versions," added Musk. The robot can be covered in a variety of ways. So that's it for today's video. What are your thoughts on our video? Please let us know in the comment section below. If you've enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification to our channel before you go. Thank you so much for watching.